Before you put your automatic car into drive, there are a few mistakes most drivers don't even realize they're making. Mistakes that slowly destroy the transmission, damage the engine, and shorten the life of the vehicle without any warning. Today, we're diving deep into the things you should never do in an automatic car. Whether you're a beginner learning to drive or an experienced driver who wants to protect your vehicle, this video will help you avoid expensive repairs and keep your car running smoothly for years. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's make you a smarter and safer automatic driver, starting right now. When people drive an automatic car, they often assume it's easy. Just shift into drive and go. But the truth is that automatic transmissions are extremely sensitive machines, and one small habit, repeated over months or years, can cause serious damage. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is shifting gears while the car is still moving. For example, switching from drive to reverse before the car has completely stopped. Many people do this when parking quickly or turning around in a tight area. But inside the transmission, this forces metal components to slam against each other, putting enormous stress on the gearbox. Always come to a full stop before changing gears. Your transmission will thank you later. Another habit drivers often overlook is resting their hand on the gear lever while driving. In a manual car, this is already discouraged, but in an automatic, it can be even worse. The gear selector is connected to delicate mechanical parts, and constant pressure, even from the weight of your hand, can cause unnecessary wear over time. The gear shifter isn't a handrest. Keep both hands on the wheel where they belong. One of the silent killers of automatic transmissions is ignoring the parking brake. Many drivers rely only on the P position when parking, especially on slopes. But when you shift to park without using the handbrake first, all the weight of the vehicle presses against a tiny metal piece called the parking pawl. If that piece breaks, the vehicle can slide, and repairing it can cost a fortune. The correct method is simple. Come to a stop, hold the brake pedal, pull the parking brake, and then shift into park. This one habit can save your transmission from early failure. Drivers also make the mistake of using neutral at the wrong times. Some people shift to neutral while coasting downhill or waiting at traffic lights because they think it saves fuel. In modern cars, it doesn't. In fact, shifting to neutral removes your ability to accelerate instantly if you need to avoid danger, and it reduces your control while driving downhill because you're no longer using engine braking. Your car is safest when it stays in drive unless you're stopping for a long time. Another dangerous mistake is revving the engine in neutral and then quickly shifting into drive. Some people do this to warm up the car or impress others with a quick jump start. But when you rev the engine and suddenly engage the gear, the transmission takes a massive shock. This can break internal components instantly. Automatic transmissions are engineered for smooth engagement, not sudden high-speed force. Always engage drive gently. A habit many drivers don't think about is driving without warming up the transmission. Automatic cars rely on transmission fluid, which becomes thicker when cold. When you start driving aggressively before the fluid warms up, the inside of the gearbox struggles to circulate lubrication properly. This can lead to early wear. The best practice is simple. Start the car, wait 10-20 seconds, and then drive gently for the first few minutes. That's all your transmission needs to warm up naturally. We also need to address the common mistake of riding the brakes while driving downhill. Instead of tapping the brakes gently and using engine braking, some drivers keep their foot lightly pressed on the brake pedal. This overheats the brake system and wears out brake pads extremely fast. In steep areas, you can shift into a lower gear like L, 2, or B depending on the vehicle, allowing the engine to control speed safely without burning the brakes. Another mistake many automatic drivers make is skipping maintenance. Automatic transmissions are complex, and the fluid inside them breaks down over time. Old or dirty fluid can cause rough shifting, overheating, and complete transmission failure. Many people wait too long because they assume automatic transmissions don't need maintenance, but they do. Always check your car's service manual and change the transmission fluid at the recommended intervals. Transmission repair is one of the most expensive jobs in a car. Regular fluid changes cost far less. Another harmful habit is accelerating hard when the engine is cold. The transmission fluid and engine oil need a little time to circulate properly. Hard acceleration when the car has just started puts unnecessary strain on both the engine and the gearbox. Gentle driving during the first few minutes extends the life of your entire vehicle. Finally, one of the biggest mistakes is multitasking or relying too much on the car's technology. Modern automatic cars offer features like hill assist, parking sensors, and automatic braking. But these features are designed to assist, not replace, your attention. Never get too comfortable behind the wheel. Always stay alert, keep both hands on the wheel, and use every safety feature as support, not as a substitute for concentration. By avoiding these habits, you'll drive smoother, safer, and protect your transmission for many years. The beauty of automatic cars is their simplicity, but that simplicity should not lead to carelessness. A little awareness goes a long way. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand automatic cars better, give it a thumbs up so more drivers can learn these important tips. And if you want more expert driving guides, car care tips, and real-world advice, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Drive safe, protect your car, and I'll see you in the next video.